The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Sanskriti Namaskar, dear parents and our lovely students. I feel so delighted and honored to welcome you all to the 230th episode of Sanskriti Samachar Darpan. We always give our best to bring you all the essential and important news of Sanskriti. I congratulate the Knitted News reporter of my class 8th B for getting this opportunity to be the news reporters of this weekly news bulletin. This bulletin is full of important news regarding CCA and other upcoming events. So, without any delay, let's move forward to today's news bulletin.
The parent-teacher meeting for class 9th was held on 8 February 2025 from 9:30 am to 10:30 am. The meeting focused on discussing students' performance in the Phase 1 session-ending exam, which was conducted on 8 February 2025. Teachers shared feedback on students' progress, strength, and area for improvement. Parents actively participated and interacted with teachers to understand their child's academic performance.
On 3rd February 2025, a special assembly was held to celebrate Vasant Panchami with great enthusiasm. The program began with a beautiful speech highlighting the significance of the festival. Next, students performed a beautiful dance showcasing the joy and energy of the season. A heartfelt poem was recited expressing devotion to Goddess Saraswati. At the end, an exciting quiz was conducted to test students' knowledge about Vasant Panchami, making the event both fun and educational. Thank you.
A special parents-teacher meeting (PTM) for class 10th and 12th will be held on 10 February 2025 from 9:30 am to 10:30 am. During this meeting, students will receive their admit cards for the board exams. The student must clear all their dues before the PTM to collect their admit cards. Parents are requested to attend the meeting with their children to receive important exam-related instructions. We appreciate your cooperation for a smooth exam process.
This is a gentle reminder for students of class 4 to 9 to take part in the photography contest. The last date to submit your photos is the 10th Feb 2025. Don't miss this chance to show your creativity. Send in your best photos before the deadline. For any query, you are free to meet and talk the in-charge teachers.
The folk art exhibition at Sanskriti School on February 8, 2025 was a colorful and exciting event that celebrated traditional art forms from different parts of India. Students, teachers, and local artists display beautiful paintings, handmade crafts, and cultural artifacts. The exhibition showcased art styles like Madhubani, Varli, and Patta Chitra, along with live demonstrations by skilled artists. Visitors enjoy learning about the rich heritage behind each artwork. The event aimed to promote and preserve Indians' folk art traditional while inspiring young minds to appreciate their cultural roots.
On 8th February 2025, a special farewell ceremony, Anugrah Parv, was held for class 12th students. The event was filled with joy, emotion, and best wishes for their future. Teachers performed various activities to make the day memorable. The principal ma'am, director sir, and vice principal ma'am blessed each student and wished them success. The chief guest, Jason Thomas sir, inspired the students with his motivational speech and guided them on career choices. The farewell ended with love, laughter, and warm wishes for their students' bright future.
The Meritorious Scholarship Test (MST) is a great opportunity for students who wish to take admission in Sanskriti. By appearing in this test, students can avail various benefits including scholarships and fee concessions based on their performance. Interested students can fill out the form and take the test to secure their place at Sanskriti while enjoying academic advantages.
शिक्षा हर बच्चे का अधिकार है और एक उज्जवल भविष्य की कुंजी भी। यह न केवल ज्ञान देती है बल्कि अच्छे संस्कार, आत्मनिर्भरता और समाज में अपनी पहचान बनाने की शक्ति भी प्रदान करती है। स्कूल में दी जाने वाली शिक्षा बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास में मदद करती है। हम अभिभावक होने के नाते विद्यालय के प्रयासों की सराहना करते हैं और आशा करते हैं कि सभी बच्चे मेहनत और ईमानदारी से पढ़ाई करें ताकि वे अपने सपनों को साकार कर सकें।
Now we have come to an end of today's news bulletin. We hope you enjoyed the updates and feel inspired by the achievements and activities of our school. Keep working hard, stay curious, and continue making our school proud. Thank you for listening and have a great day ahead.